Hello guys and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and I'm here and I'm excited. Can you imagine we managed to catch up to 3,500 pips in the month of January. I'm not even lying to you guys and girls. These are trades I have given out in my signal services for day trades and swing trades. And I promise you, you want to stay to the end of this video. The system I'm creating at the moment is what's going to help you catch these amount of pips. So first and foremost, let's check out the signal stats. And these are all the trades from the one-time fee, lifetime access VIP group. And you can see here, these are all the signal trades that I managed to give out in the month of January. And these are for the day trades in this group here. Everybody that joins the Discord group, the link is in the description below. You will be able to see these stats just to show you that I'm actually taking trades and making profit. So it's actually amazing the amount of day trades we've had. Now, when I head over to the Neo trades pip count, this is basically the pip count for all of the swing trades. Again, part of the one-time fee, lifetime access VIP group. You get these trade setups that I'm showing you right over here. Let's just go over to Telegram so I can show you what I'm talking about. Now, straight away, you can see this is the day trading group, the Easy Forex Enterprise Signals. And here was the GBP CHF trade I gave out. So what I usually do is on Sunday at 6 p.m. London time, I do a Zoom call where I go over all of the pairs in the market and then I'll take apart which ones I'm actually going to be trading for that week ahead. Of course, if there's an opportunity for me to take a Neo day trade or swing trade from that trading instrument. So you can see on GBP CHF here, I drew out a supply area. I had a key area where I was looking for price action to go towards for a possible sell trade. What it actually did do, GBP CHF, is it created another supply zone here and managed to take the trade. So I still was able to give this trade out from an entry of a break of structure, which happened on a 4-hour time frame. Now, this is where the magic actually happens. So this is what the Neo indicator / expert advisor is going to look like. And it's going to be an MT4 indicator / expert advisor. The reason for that is because once you press the auto trading button and all the confluences do line up on the dashboard, as you can see over here on the left, I have explained this in the first Neo indicator video, which you can see in the playlist or in the description below. What will actually happen is price action basically will be in a position for it to continue to sell or continue to buy. Now, you can even see here previously we caught a sell from here, which actually gave us our TP2 here. And then price action got to this level here in one of the weeks in January. We found our entry. We had to hold this trade for a bit longer, but price action did hit TP2. So what we usually look for here is we want to see, of course, a trend. We want to make sure price action comes towards our supply or demand zone. And then what we're going to be looking for is price action to go towards its liquidity area, just to give us a good stage of entry. We're also going to have the stop hump 1 and 2, which gives us a better identification to tell us that they have gone for those liquidity areas or that supply demand area to give us a confirmation of a trade. Now you can see we're on the 15-minute time frame and we had a break of structure over here around about the 24th of January, and you can clearly see that price action has hit ADR 1 and has gone on to hit ADR 2. Altogether from entry, this was 110 pip trade. Absolutely beautiful. Now, when we go over to gold, this was a trade I gave out in a Discord for every single person to gain entry into this. My Discord is free, and make sure you go to the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory area to find a trade setup based on gold. I do this every single week. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So right over here, this is my Discord, and it is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the area you just want to click on over here on the left. And once you do get into there, like I said, every week, if I see a trade setup, I will put it on gold and I'll give you an analysis. Not every single day will I tell you to enter now, but of course I do my due diligence throughout the year to give you a market analysis pretty much week on, week off. And you can see I was saying that when price action gets towards this area here, which the areas we were looking at was 1911 and 1896, once price was in between there, we was going to be looking for a buy trade setup. As soon as price action got into that level, again, I was watching this pair, so I was pretty much watching the trade for you to give it out to you guys and girls. You can see straight away here, I told every single person in my Discord, make sure you're looking at price action and wait for our break of structure. Over here, I also went a step further and then broke down and said, look, if it breaks structure here, this is a 15-minute break of structure, or if it breaks it on this second line up here. On top of that, I also gave you where the 1-hour break of structure could possibly happen. So these were all levels that you could see where price action could possibly break structure and then continue to buy. And then last but not least, I also gave a take profit level right up here at the top and said, look, we're expecting price action to go towards this level if it does a nice good buy for us. And then on top of that, that, I gave out a extra demand zone and said, look, if it goes in towards this area here and then rejects off of that area, we're going to be looking for our break of structure and our entry. And then when we pay attention to it, what actually happened is the market broke structure right over here and then gave us an entry for a trade setup right off of that demand level with a nice engulfing candle and some wick rejections. This was a long-term buy trend on gold when you can see it right here on MT4. And let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. Now, when we're on the 15-minute time frame, you can clearly see we had our break of structure right over here in the market, and price action actually went up to ADR1, which was TP1, and went up to ADR2, which was TP2, for a 500 pip trade. I couldn't make this up, guys and girls. I do know it's NFP week and price action can move quite a lot, so this could be why we saw such a beautiful trade setup on gold with so much volatility in the market. And with all of our confluences on the dashboard coming into play, you couldn't really ask for much more when it comes to the NEO indicator trading setup. When we go over to GBP/CHF, again, this was a longer term trade, and this is what NEO really helps you with. When price action is doing a long-term buy or sell trend, it will help you to establish where the possible re-entries for the sell, scalp trades, day trades, or swing trades. And this is what we managed to see on GBP/CHF. We had a nice supply zone here. We could see the trend is in play. All of this is over here on the dashboard lighting up. We also have a stop hunt 1 and a stop hunt 2 initiated. And then what we're actually seeing now going forward is a liquidity zone was right here where the market took that liquidity. And then now on the 15-minute time frame, after that did actually happen, we had our break of structure here in the market, and price action actually went down to TP1, which is ADR1, TP2, which is ADR2, and TP3, which is actually ADR3. And this was about a 230 pip trade setup. Again, another amazing trade setup brought to you by the NEO indicator trading strategy, which is now going to be an indicator. Okay, and this trade here is a fresh new NEO setup, and we can see straight away that price action gave us the indication for a sell on this pair. We can also see that everything aligns on the dashboard, and we can see price action went towards its liquidity area, and then on top of that we was able to get our entry for our trade because we're in a supply area, which you can see from the background. When we go over to the 15-minute time frame, this was very close to actually not being a sell trade, because if price action actually just broke above this area, it would have gone back into a buy trend. So we can see that price action right now is still in a sell trend. We had a break of structure on a 15-minute time frame and an entry. This was a trade I actually gave out today. You can see February the 2nd. I gave a chart and I told people, look, we're expecting price action to obviously go down towards these levels here, which is the break of structure levels. Again, I explained this in the VIP Zoom call for the one-time fee lifetime access members, and I did tell them that the break of structure had already happened. Again, like I said, I got in late on this trade. I said we're looking for a 1 times ADR or 2 times ADR for our TP on this trade. Of course, it can go a lot longer because this is a brand new trade, so if it's just started, we could see this go to ADR 5 or 6. It could be a very big trade, and I will keep you updated with that. And then what actually happened for me, which was great for this pair, you can see I actually managed to take this pair with a nice decent lot size on a prop firm account as well, and I was actually able to pass phase 1 on a 20k account. On my Forex funds, which you need 21,600, I was able to get 21,732, so I passed the phase strictly using NEO day trades and swing trades, which I post in the EZ Forex Enterprise group, or I actually post in the NEO trading area, which is within here. This is where I post the swing trades as well. So I only use these trades to pass, which you have access to once you become a one-time fee lifetime access member. Now coming back over to MT4, again, this will be a system that's an expert advisor where you will be able to put on auto trading once price action has all the confluences activated. You will not be able to just switch on auto trading and walk away. It's going to be a little bit more complex to make that system, and that will be later on in further updates towards NEO, the indicator trading system. But for now, as soon as all the confluences come to play, then you just switch on auto trading, so you do not have to wait about 2 hours before this break of structure happens. It will automatically take this trade for you. You can set where you put your stop loss, so above here by maybe 10 pips, so you've got a bit of breathing room, and then you'll be able to say, I want price action to go 1 times ADR or 2 times ADR for my take profit, or there could be other little things like that that we'll put into the mix in terms of risk management on the pair. Again, it will work out all your risk on your balance as well, all your equity, which is absolutely perfect. This will stop you from over risking in trades and stop you from having to work out what lot size do you need to enter a position. Again, the EA will be able to do all of that for you. And now here's the time for the offer. This will be a limited time offer, so you need to make sure you get in now. The indicator is about 40% complete at the moment, and it should be completed 100% very soon. So if you do want to get in now as a lifetime investor of the project, then it is 100 GBP, and you will only pay this once, and you'll get access to all of my VIP services, which you can see listed on the video right now. And on top of that, you will get the indicator system once it is available, and you'll have access to all of the updates on this system. You're not going to get a better deal than this as it stands, and because this is a limited time offer, once it is completed, it will cost you 50 GBP a month just to have access to this system. Trust me, it works. I've shown all of the proof in the last YouTube videos, and on top of that, again, every single person in my service can literally vouch for the fact that the trades that I'm explaining and looking for and what I'm calling a Neo setup have been working and are profitable over the period of time. And again, like I said, you can pass prop firm challenges, you can even grow your live account as long as you've got good enough capital in there. I'm telling you guys and girls, this is an amazing offer. If you like what you've seen in this video, hit me up in Discord or Telegram. All my information will be in the description below. Also, payment links are in the description below if you just want to pay and then show me that you have paid. And then all you have to do is hit me up again in Discord or Telegram. If you like all the information in this video, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and share. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.